Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we will see the first exercise in coordinate geometry. Let's look at the first sum there. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. The first pair is 2, 3 and 4, 1. So let's note down the points first. So this is 2, 3 and 4, 1. We are supposed to find the distance between these given points. Let's note down the formula. Distance is going to be given as square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Or you can also reverse the order, x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Since you're taking a square, so the direction will not changing will not affect the sign or the answer. So now let's mark what is the x1 and x2s here. So this is x1, y1 and this point will be treated as x2, y2. So let's calculate the distance. So it is x2 which is 4 minus x1. So 4 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. So 1 minus 3 the whole square, which I have to place inside a square root. So this is going to be the distance. So distance is equal to square root of 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 the whole square is 4. 4 plus minus 2 the whole square is another 4. So square root of 8, which is nothing but 2 root 2 units. Now let's take up the second point there. It is minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. So let's note the points. Minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. So let's mark the x1s and x2s. This is x1, y1. This is the x2, y2. Let's apply the formula now. So distance in this case is going to be square root of x2 minus x1. So minus 1 minus of minus 5 is plus 5. So minus 1 plus 5 the whole square plus, in this case, y2 is 3. 3 minus 7 the whole square, all of which is inside the square roots. So d is equal to square root of 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 the whole square is 16. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. The whole square is another 16. So d is equal to root 32. To root 32, I can write this as root of 16 into 2. So this is going to be 4 root 2. Now let's look at the third point, a comma b and minus a comma minus b. So let's note down the points first. A comma b and minus a comma minus b. So in order to apply the formula, this time it is square root of minus a, again that is x2 minus x1 is another a. So minus a the whole square plus y2 is minus b minus of y1 which is another b the whole square. So d is going to be square root of minus 2a the whole square plus minus 2b the whole square. So d is square root of minus 2 the whole a the whole square is 4a square. Similarly, this will be 4b square. I can take the 4 outside. So this is d is root of 4 into a square plus b square. I'm going to take in the next step the 4 itself outside the root. So it is 2 into root of a square plus b square. In the next video, we will see how to solve the second question in this exercise.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.